Travelocity Review. Watch before using. Most people book travel in a rush and miss out on better deals, but here's the surprising truth. A few clicks can save you hundreds of dollars. That is where Travelocity comes in. Travelocity is an online travel booking platform where you can book flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages in one place. Here's what most people get wrong. They think all travel sites show the same prices. Travelocity often bundles services together to unlock lower package deals. You can search by destination, travel dates, price range, and amenities. The site also shows user ratings and flexible booking options. The surprising truth is that booking flights and hotels together can sometimes cost less than booking separately. Travelocity is best for vacation travelers, families, and anyone planning trips on a budget. If you want convenience and competitive pricing, Travelocity is worth checking before you book your next trip. Subscribe to the channel for more travel planning reviews and money-saving tips.